touch it with no hands. She can bend, she expensive. My life is expensive. Count me up, expensive. Looking like this money that I throw is endless. Rolls Royce in the Benz. Fuck boy, you will never make the friend list. Strip club flexing with my mans. All I see is niggas, bitches in my lens. Ain't gon' lie, that bitch is tempting. I wanna fuck you, but you know I'm too expensive.
Hi guys, this is Tonya Emm and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on this wig by Zury. This is a new wig from their Beyond Your Imagination collection and her name is Bailey. This is how the front of the stock card looks. This is the back of the stock card and I have her at number 2. Cap construction on this wig, you have 2 combs on this side, 1 comb on this side, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Again, I do not use the combs, so this is not something that I would suggest anybody using, just to make sure your edges will stay snatched. You don't want to have any missing edges. Also, if you are concerned about wig safety or wig security, definitely purchase a wig band. For me, I just don't really need to because I take the straps in the back and basically hook them together, and that gives me all the security that I need. So for this unit, I'm not usually a curly hair girl, especially when it comes to like synthetic wigs, because they're all over the place. They're big, they're huge, they're flying in the wind. But I did love the curl pattern for this unit. It's really nice. The wig isn't that long. For me, it's about 14 inches on me unstretched. Stretched is about, stretch is a good 20 inches. It stretches very long, so this does mimic I guess if you do like a curl rod on natural hair, it could be something like that, you know, or just anybody's natural hair that, you know, maybe they have their mixed heritage and their hair looks like this. So this could definitely be a natural hair dupe for some women who want to still rock their natural curls, but they want to protect their actual hair. So as far as the parting goes, this is the parting. It is very skimpy. I didn't pluck it as much. I did pluck some hairs out of it. I didn't pluck a lot because I didn't want the tracks to show. If you look at the part, if you purchase this wig and you look at the part, you will see that the tracks are very much close together, and you don't want to pluck so much hair because then the tracks will show. I have not altered this wig any. I didn't even like really run my fingers through it. I just kind of like did this. I fluffed it out once I took it out of the package, and that was it. I thought the curl pattern looked really nice without having to alter it myself, so that it was just really wasn't necessary. Which is this wig was really easy. I just it did come with baby hairs, but it didn't come with a lot of baby hairs. So I did cut some more baby hairs and slick them down myself. And let me see, the hair texture is it's kind of like on the silky side. It's on the silky side, but it's curly, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, it's not really a yucky texture, but it curls. You would definitely never notice it because, hey, you know, it's a curly wig. So let me go ahead and turn around for you, so you can see the wig in all its glory in the back, front. Let me see. So as far as if it's big head friendly, yeah, I think so. I just think that if you don't adjust the straps, it should be big head friendly. This will be a wig for everybody. So I don't see any cons with this wig. Maybe you can do some more face framing curls to the side if you would like, or not. So who knows, you know? So I would actually like to show y'all an alternative style wearing this hair instead of just throwing it on if you like to style your wigs. So I am going to show y'all that. Let me get my mirror together. And what you're gonna need is some bobby pins. I got some gold bobby pins because I think it'll be fun just to have like the gold pins in the hair, which is like this is a color number 2. Again, it's like a dark brown basically, but it's definitely a brown and not a black. So what I'm gonna do, so just have fun and watch.
Yeah. Yeah. Shorty, you know I'm stroking on it. When I pull up 4 in the morning, we can smoke, girl, if you want it. We can smoke, just run up on it. I do the things that you want to do, all of the things that you want to. Do anything cause I want you. Do anything cause I want you. Oh. Pull up in designer. Girl, that body pure, the water smell like the sun. Sipping on honey. About to hit your bitch with that C-U-N.
Okay, so this is the look. When I saw this unit and I was kind of playing with it in the mirror, I was like, wow, this would be a good, like, cute side swept hair look. Like, seriously, I'm digging this. So this is, I thought the gold pins would be cute as an accent because I noticed females doing that. I'm not really like big on like messing with hair a lot. That's why I wear wigs. And I like simple things like this. This is very easy to do for females. I don't even when I wear my natural hair, all I do is wash and goes. I don't do like the twisting and the twist outs. I used to be about that life when I was younger. That's what this is actually how this channel started. But now that I'm older and I have kids to watch and house and all this and work, when I was working, this was basically what I did. This is basically something really simple. This is very chic. I could see myself going out, like if I want to go out to eat, to dinner. This is something really cute and quick and easy to do. Like, I'm loving this right now. You should be loving this too. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed a little tutorial on how to get this final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to stay tuned for updated videos. Also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, everything, Facebook. All the links will be in the description box below. This way, on those channels, you would definitely see anything new that I'm going to post. You'll see it there before you see it actually here, posted, edited, and posted. So thanks for watching, lovies. Bye.